Almost gone. Chicken vindaloo. Hi. My lips are burning off me. I ran out of milk. I just took milk out of the freezer. It's not salt, it's not thing yet. So I'm suffering big time. Holy shit. Woo! I think I'm turning red even. Oh shit. Oh. Even a dribble of milk. This stuff is hot, boy, I tell you. It's known to give heart attacks as well, apparently. But this is a lot harder than vindaloo. 10 times, 20 times harder. Well, there you go. That's how you eat chicken phal. Don't try this at home unless you're used to it. It's a killer. And it could kill, apparently. So if I die tonight, you know what I died of? Chicken vindaloo. No, chicken phal. I have a good beer to wash it down as well later, in a few minutes. Actually, there's a can of Dutch Gold in the fridge. Back in a sec. Oh, that fell. Actually, it's not Dutch Gold, it's Chiyuborg. Guaranteed to kill the taste of vindaloo. Okay, bye.